Hello, we are Team 1118 Eino from Cornell University.
I am Arman.
Fernando.
Payman.
Mark.
Our background is on internet backbone. We have the vision of networks that can change by themselves based on the user needs.
We developed a technology that optimizes the networks and matches the connectivity with traffic demand.
We understood that current networks are run inefficiently and there's an extra capacity sitting there. Our hypothesis was to improve network performance and bring more revenue to the operators with that extra capacity. We got out of the building and tested our hypothesis with over 30 interviews with vendors and operators. We concluded that there is some extra capacity in the networks, and networks are run inefficiently. But operators don't care. Because of complexity, they rather be inefficient and just add more capacity.
These insights from customer interviews challenged our initial view.
We learned that operators need to offer more types of services to compete with internet companies, and their end users ask for more flexibility. So we came up with the new hypothesis of service on demand, our first pivot. Another 40 interviews with operators and end users, and we realized on-demand services are disruptive to current revenue stream of operators, and there's a big complexity on the business side. After 7 interviews, we were at point zero and had to start from scratch. Seemed like there's absolutely no opportunity in the telecom domain. Even worse, to the teaching team, we were not doing anything. We didn't give up. We took a step back and looked at the entire workflow and ecosystem and realized our entry point as a startup is not something that will get integrated inside operators' working system, but something to give them insight on their critical processes. Going back to our interviews, we identified 2 critical processes of adding new customer to the network and reducing the churn rate. Our second pivot.
During the iCore program, we learned a lot about the complex ecosystem of telecom industry.
We understood the importance of in-person interviews. We expanded our network to all major telcos and vendors in the world. We now know our entry point and we have identified few opportunities in the field, some to pursue now and some on the side for future.
Our next step is to stay out of the building and validate this hypothesis.